It's a certified 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. Having a family means dealing with surprises. This Grand Caravan was designed to handle the unexpected by delivering craftsmanship fueled by innovation. Features include power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, auto dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, leather steering wheel, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, and V6 engine. New Car Test Drive writes, the Dodge Grand Caravan offers amazing versatility with one of the most convenient cabins in its class. The flexible seating, abundance of storage space, and impressive entertainment options can make life easier for busy owners. Power, performance, passion, Dodge. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.